Today we will learn how to create multiple pages layouts on Adobe InDesign. We will create a sample magazine. First, open a new file. Make sure Facing Pages is checked. Then hit Create. You can add pages by clicking Pages on the upper right corner and dragging the page to the plus icon below. Or you can go to File, Document Setup, then type the number of pages you prefer. On the first page you can type the name of the magazine or ebook you like. Type all the details for your cover. I will only use placeholder text for this video. Then add the image you wanted. Adjust to get desired position. You can change text color depending on what you prefer. Once done, you can go to Pages. If you don't have the Pages on your right panel, you can open it on Windows. Click the A Master. View and unview borders by pressing the letter W on keyboard. Now click Type tool and create a box on the lower left. It will be our page numbers. Now go to Type, choose Insert Special Character, then choose Marker, then Current Page Number. Feel free to change font and position depending on your liking. Then copy and paste to the opposite side. Once you check your pages, you now have numberings on your pages. If you don't want number to appear on a certain page, Click the page that you don't want the number to appear, then drag the none page above a master. Now you have multiple pages with numbers on your project. You can now add your content. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.